Sabi mo nga, aw. Sabi mo nga, aw. Dali na. Aw. Dali. Tagalan mo kasi. Lagyan mo naman ng tono. Aw. Babe, sabi mo nga, aw. Tagal. Ulit.
Ayoko na.
Ulit. Ulit.
Tanda.
Dali na. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the peace of mind. In the jungle. Okay.
Hey, what's up guys? This is TV. Now we're back again on our channel. So yun guys, katatapos ng first session ng conference. Ayan, session 1 yun. Session 1 yun.
Session 2. Session 3 na.
Session 3 na pala. So yun, katatapos na pala ng session 2. So, tama ba?
3 mamaya.
Ayan, session 3 is mamaya breaker.
Sa frontier.
Sa frontier naman.
Nakita nyo ba?
Hindi mo nakita yung frontier. Layo-layo eh. Ano to eh. Saan siya sa frontier? Lali ka na lang mapigil. So, ang elective 1, elective 2. So guys, tingnan nyo guys. Nandito kami ngayon para mag-lunch. Ayan. So nakita nyo guys, binigyan ako ng ano. Dalawang tingin.
Kasi lalaki ka? Lalaki ka kasi?
Hindi rin ako. Oh. May gulay oh. Amen.
Ayoko nung kalaba. Ayoko nung kalaba.
Hindi tayo nung magpo. Tayo.
Bye-bye. Kakain na muna kami.
Hanggang 4:30 lang yan, di ba dito?
Ang dami pa ba?
Right. I wrote this song when I was 7 years old. I need someone to hold it, yeah. Jesus is the rock, he saved my soul. Took my sins and made me whole. Jesus is the King of kings, and Jesus is the Lord of lords. That's all it was. That's it. That's the whole song.
Feel free to say that. So, I understand the question was, where does that inspiration come from with writing songs, is that right? First of all, inspiration number one comes from God, before anything else, because that's why we're writing the song. That's who we're giving the song to, and that's where the song comes from. So, number one, that's our inspiration. Number two, the Word of God as well. Come through the Psalms and all the rest of those amazing words that other people have already written. Just take from that. But, I mean, we get inspiration from lots of music that's out there at the moment. We get inspiration from this. We don't copy necessarily. We don't steal stuff. We just go, oh, that'd be an amazing sound that we can then bring into our congregation to lift up the name of Jesus. Because that's the whole point of everything that we do musically, is to lift up the name of Jesus. That's the whole point of everything we do in our lives. Lift up the name of Jesus. But I mean, we get inspiration from all over the place. I know some of us listen to rock music, some of us listen to electronic music, I listen to a lot of jazz myself. So there's musical influences all over the place. Musically, you can get influenced however you want, but just make sure the heart of everything that we write is influenced by the heart of God.
That means to the top of the song. Now, what does this mean? Some of you have got a bridge.
Bridge. Yan.
Different bridge.
Bridge
We probably
ang ganda
did-
namin,
In my
bridge.
old church when I grew up, the sign for bridge was this. How silly is that? Can you imagine doing that in the middle of a worship song? So that's a lot simpler. Just the two legs ready to walk on the bridge.
Okay.
Pre-chorus is this. Isn't that so strange? I don't know why we do that. But that's pre-chorus. What about this? Anyone know what that is? That's the tag.
Last three.
And what? Anyone know what this is? Key change.
Higher.
Take it up.
Okay.
What else? Is there any other bits? Oh yeah, we've got a new bridge. So basically, how they, that's the bridge, 2 fingers. And then in some of our songs, you know how we have saturate me now, come and pour it out. That's what we call the bridge. And then when it goes to the next bit, Lord, I'm craving more. That's the second bridge. So we do 3 fingers for that. So we just made that up. Anyways, I think that's all the bits of the song. And then the way we communicate as well is like that microphone there on the keyboard. That's not a singing microphone, even though Mitch can sing. That's a microphone that talks to all of our ears. And also Pastor Sam and myself, our microphones have a little button. If you just zoom in on this little button here. So zoom your eyes in on that. That little button right there, if I push that in, my microphone turns off the speakers and it just talks to everyone's ears. So then I can say, Andy, what are you doing? You're talking about drumming? Josh, you're playing my bass notes. So you think you're all there having a great time of worship, but I'm having just chucking these guys off for playing wrong. They don't really play the wrong things, they're great. So that's how we communicate.
Ang
Kaya pala
cute.
mga okay sa mic niya.
Ang cute. Artista na siya, friend. Papalo ko siya.
There you go. You want one, you number 106. What was the question again?
So the question is, can you share some of the most challenging and toughest experiences you've faced in the ministry that have brought you deeper in your relationship with God?
I think a time where God challenged me to humble myself. I think I was like serving, but kind of always complaining inside. I wasn't complaining outside, but inside I was complaining because I wasn't getting things done the way that I thought should be happening. And then God really challenged me to submit everything to Him and to submit to authority as well. And in the church I found that really challenging because I came from a background where I was kind of a rebel. And then, but in doing so, it really it broke my heart down to a place where I was very vulnerable with God. And I was able to open up to a deeper sense of His love and understanding of who He was. And though it was a challenging time for myself and like breaking myself down, it was something that really opened me up to receive more of God's grace, God's love, and the understanding of who He truly is. Yeah.
Great.
Worship leading is your calling, or whether this girl is for you? Well, how do you know God's called you to worship lead? First of all, God calls us to worship. And so whether you're leading or not leading, you should be a passionate worshiper. And so it doesn't really matter, I suppose, about the position of whether it's in front of people or not in front of people. Your heart should be the heart of a worshiper, number one. But then, how do you know you're called to do that in a leadership position? Usually God will open up opportunities, and with the opening up of those opportunities, your heart will grow in passion for those opportunities. And then as you're given those opportunities, you'll know that you're called because the anointing is released and people encounter God through your worship leading. And then other people around you, your leadership around you will confirm that and encourage you in that and then give you more opportunity. And so while you're waiting for opportunity, then I would just concentrate on worshipping and serving God's house in any way, just like I did when I first started at Planetshakers. I wasn't leading worship. I was part of the team that made all the food for the VIP guests. And I love worshipping the Lord, but I just kept all of that to myself and I just served the Lord with whatever opportunities I was given. And then one day, God just opened the door, and when He opened the door, I just walked through knowing that it's Him. He gave the opportunity.
Awesome. We've got time for one more question this side. And then
So, what's up? Pinalabas kami, pinalayas kami sa loob. Hindi, joke. Hindi. Last session. Yeah, so, pinag ang pasok namin daw ay 5:30.